All right, so this is the Blink video doorbell. It is the cheapest one on the market, works with Alexa. It's got all the info on it. You can do some screenshots there. Check it out. That's everything on the box. I'm going to spare you opening the box. I already got everything out of it. So it comes with these little wires here if you're going to do a direct connect. It does come with some anchors and screws. It comes with this special tool that you use to open it. You're going to need that, so don't lose it. And then it does come with 2 Energizer batteries. And it's pretty simple. They go right in the back here. These are AA's. There's the negative and negative, right? So you just go like this, just to get them in. And then you're going to take the battery door right here, and you want to make sure that you put it in the correct way, which would be, you see these on the bottom, right? So you got to slide them right under here, and then you just close it like this. Yeah, and this is where you would direct wire it for 12 volt, okay? There's your reset button there. All right, so this is the plate that goes on the wall. And you screw it in, you got a couple screws on it. It does come with this that you could use as a template to figure out exactly where you're gonna put it. This thing here is a tool that you're gonna use to open it by pushing on the bottom here to move these down once you've connected it to this. If you notice, there's a channel here and there's a little channel right up top here. You see that? And basically it just kind of slips in there like that. And then once you've put it on the wall, and then you just close her down. And if you look right here, these have to be pushed back. I have this tool right now, but we could use this one if we wanted to. But I'm just going to use this for a second. I push it back and they pop in. See them right there? Now to get them out of there, you need a tool like this. This is a little tricky, you guys. There we go. And now see it opens up, and then it just slides open like that. So you gotta, fix it onto the wall with that. This is your little tool that you can use. I use this Apple tool. Worked just as good. But that's basically everything that's in the box. Now we just have to install it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.